Welcome to my class. Today in this episode I am going to discuss about CA Foundation in part 2, chapter number 3, business organization. After studying this chapter, you have an overview of corporate history of some of the selected Indian and global companies, and also you will gain information about management teams of selected companies, and also we will learn from this chapter the vision, mission and core values of different companies. Then let me see about the chapter overview. I said already, after learning this chapter you came to know about the overview of the selected companies like Indian companies as well as the global companies. Dear students, as you came to know about few of the Indian companies regarding Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone, as well as Asian Paint Limited, Axis Bank Limited, Bajaj Auto Limited, Bharti Airtel Limited, ICICI Bank Limited, Flipkart, and so many Indian companies are there. So at least you came to know about some of the reviews regarding these companies in your day-to-day life. Like that, the global companies, some of the names you heard about like Amazon, American Express, Apple, IBM Corporation, Intel Corporation, Microsoft Corporation, Nestle, Walmart and so on. So these are few of the Indian as well as global companies. So regarding this we will learn in this chapter, and also afterwards you came to know about that the profit as well as the business process in these companies. Students, once you think your favorite product and then think about the company which offers it, or think of a company you want to work with, right? So the first things that come to our mind, that is, what does this company do? What are the products or services of a company? How big is it? And also who owns this company? And many more curious questions will arise in our mind, right? So that a company overview is the most effective way to acquire business intelligence and gain vital information about a company, its business and their products, services, and its process, prospects and customers, suppliers, competitors, etc. So however, company overview requires the expertise of qualified professionals, as it involves a detailed analysis of the company history and its structure, philosophy, portfolio of products and services, clients, and important information about finance, human capital and technological resources, marketing capabilities, etc. So that in order to meet the needs of the competitive environment, so with many quick and accurate tools of the information age at the disposal, so it become essential for the business professionals. So then let we know about who are those business professionals, then and also what are the role of those business professionals. Business professionals are budget analyst, financial analyst, management analyst and also market research analyst. So these analysts to analyze business practices, identify potential business problems, market requirements and also provide financial, marketing and managerial solutions. So that we require business professionals. Then now let me discuss about one by one. First one, budget analyst. In a budget analyst, let me see what are the main role of budget analyst. Budget analysts, they help companies and organizations, that is to keep their finances on track. Means in order to maintain the finances on track, this budget analysis, their help is very essential. And they prepare budgets, the plan of expenditure, and also develop a forecast, future oriented planning based on past expenditures and also economic trends. So on the basis of that, this budget analyst, they will prepare the budget. And also budget analysts are vital to achieve the financial goals, maintain the profitability, and also attain the long term growth. So that we can say that the role of budget analyst is very essential, because to maintain the track of finance in a business organization. Then how the management analysts perform their function, that is they work with the heads of the business, because to improve the efficiency, and consequently profitability also increases. And management consultants work on case basis, where they are presented with a problem set and they work to find out a viable solution to the problem. So that we can say that management analyst increase the efficiency of the organization. And also management analysts are more likely to work as freelance consultants. And next one, financial analyst. Then what is the role of financial analyst? Financial analysts are also called as security analyst, equity analyst, investment analyst, or rating analyst. Please remember these other terms. As the name suggests, they focus on mainly investments and market. So this financial analyst, so they mainly focus on or concentrate on investments and the market. And also their main role is to provide the advice on investment decisions for external or internal financial clients as a part of their job. So they financial analyst, they will provide the advices, suggestions, that is to the financial clients. Then how the management analyst perform their function, that is they work with the heads of the business, because to improve the efficiency, and consequently profitability also increases. And management consultants work on case basis, where they are presented with a problem set and they work to find out a viable solution to the problem. So that we can say that management analyst increase the efficiency of the organization. And also management analysts are more likely to work as freelance consultants. And the last one, market research analyst. Market research analysts study the strength and weakness of organization in order to advise a company about the decisions to be taken to increase its market share and profitability. So market research analysts, they know about the strength and weakness of the organization, so that they can make a decision about a company regarding the increasing its market share as well as the profitability. And also they study market conditions, because to examine potential trends of sales of a product or a service. In this way, this market research analysts, they help companies understand what products, what kind of features and quality in the product customers need, and who will buy them and at what price. So this market research analysts, in this way they can achieve the profit of a particular organization. Okay students, so in this way we can say that business professionals, all they perform their own functions in the organizations, because to the growing of a company, okay, by making the profitability as well as efficiently. So this business professionals, they played a major role. So in the next episode we'll continue a few more concepts regarding this chapter. Until that you can practice those things. Okay students, thank you.